Now it's your turn. How would you finish the sentence? So what I chose was... Hello, my lovely English learners. Welcome to our English speaking practice session for beginners. I'm Miss Nadia, your friendly teacher, and today we're going to embark on an exciting journey to enhance your English skills. Now, let's start with some basic vocabulary. We'll explore essential words that are commonly used in everyday conversations. Pay close attention to the pictures on the screen, as they'll help you remember the words more easily. The cat, the book, the house. And now for some plural words. The children, the cars, the clothes. Next, we'll unravel the mystery of the verb to be. It's a crucial building block for constructing sentences. Don't worry, I'll break it down for you in a simple way. The verb to be can be split into singular and plural, depending on the subject. In this case, I have used pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, you, they, we. If you need more help on pronouns, I have included a link to a video I made that explains pronouns, personal pronouns. So, here's the verb to be. Singular. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is. Plural. You are, they are, we are. Now you will notice that there's an asterisk next to you are and that it's in both the singular and plural form. That's because although the verb doesn't change, you can be used for both singular and plural uses. So for example, if I am talking to one person, I would say you are. If I am talking to a whole class, I would still use you are. And yes, this can cause confusion sometimes, as those you are talking to don't know whether you mean just them or the whole room. Adjectives are next, and they are very important as they add flavour to your sentences. They tell us more about the noun, in this case, the vocabulary that we saw earlier. We'll discover how to use them effectively to describe people, places and things. You'll be amazed at how much more colourful your sentences can become. And here is the list of 6 adjectives I have chosen for you today. Just a note, there is no plural form in English, so adjectives stay the same, whether singular or plural. Happy, young, fast, old, new, big. And now for the 4th and final part of our lesson, in which we will be putting it all together. So it's time to put everything we've learned into action. We'll create sentences using the vocabulary, the verb to be, and adjectives. You'll be speaking confidently in no time. So here is our first sentence. I've taken the house from the vocabulary, is from the verb to be, and big as an adjective. The house is big. Why did I use the verb is, the form is instead of are or am? Because the house is singular and it's also it. It could be replaced by the pronoun it, which is used for objects, places, and even animals. And now it's your turn. I've given you the cat is. So the first part of the sentence is done. What you need to do now is go back and choose an adjective. One of the ones that I showed you earlier is fine, or even if you know any other adjectives, feel free to use those. Say the sentence out loud. Does it feel right? And now this is what I chose. I chose the adjective young. So the full sentence is, the cat is young. Of course, there are other options as well. It's your turn again. This time I've only given you the first two words, the book. So the vocabulary or the subject of the sentence. Now go back and choose the right form of the verb to be and one of the adjectives from the list or one of your own. And this is what I chose. So the book is, because the book is like the house, it's a singular. The book is, and I chose the adjective old. And now we are going to try a sentence with a plural subject. So I have chosen the children. And just to help you, I've also given you the verb. The children are, because here the children can be replaced by the pronoun they. Now it's your turn. How would you finish the sentence? Say it out loud and see if it sounds right. So what I chose was the children are happy. I chose happy as an adjective. Now, what I have done is I have left the next two parts of the lesson, the next two slides, let's say, blank for you to complete. If you go back, you will see that there is still some words and adjectives to use. Try and put these together to complete 2 more sentences. Thanks for watching, everyone. And if you're ready to supercharge your English skills, hit that subscribe button and let's get started on this exciting journey together. Don't forget to leave your comments and questions below. Happy learning, everyone.